Hello friends and welcome back to another episode of Auto Freeway. Sorry again, I've been away for quite a while, almost 3 weeks or so. Thank you for the emails that some of you have sent me asking whether I'm fine, my family is fine, everybody's good, thank God. Just being very busy, end of the year, taking care of stuff, so not enough time to put some content on the channel. Other than that, as I said, everything is fine. We have a wonderful Florida day today. Temperature somewhere in the 60s, mid 60s or so. Not a cloud on the sky. So great day. Couple of, I guess, bad news about the AMG C63S. Had a couple of small accidents. And, well, I'm just going to show you what happened to the car. Nothing major. So, don't worry about it. But let me show you. Okay, so as I was saying, I was driving back from Tampa and on I-75, and I hit a tire thread that was on the road, and this is what happened. I lost the winglet in the front of the car, so I ended up obviously removing this one too. So that's the first thing. Nothing major, easy to replace. Not sure if I will do it again or not. But the second one, and this is a mystery because I never noticed anything hitting the car. So it may have been, I don't think it's vandalism because the location, doesn't make sense. But again, let me show you what happened. Not sure if you can see it clearly, but I think this is the impact area. And then you can see the crack. I go and show me with my finger, the crack that developed on the windshield. So that's a major one. So of course, call my insurance company. The insurance company has a deal with Safelite, and one of the technicians is coming today to take a look at the windshield to see if they can replace it here on site, or whether I'll have to go to one of their shops, I guess somewhere in Fort Myers. So we'll see. But apparently one of the main issues regarding the windshield and whether they'll be able to replace it here at home is these two things. One is a camera and the other one is, I believe, a rain sensor. I don't even know what they are. So in any event, as I said, the technician is coming later and he's going to take a look at the windshield, possibly take a picture of that to see if they have the correct replacement. One of the things that he told me is that I may have to go to the shop because once they remove the windshield and reinstall the new one, they have to recalibrate whatever those things are. And I'll find out. I mean, I should know, but I don't. So that's it. Once we go through the replacement of the windshield, well, I'm going to obviously video it, and that would be the content of this video. Okay? So, yep, I'll wait for him to arrive.
All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed that tutorial on how to change the windshield on your car. And let's take a look at the final product, basically. So, he did a fairly good job. The only thing that is pending, so this part, that is part of the, I guess, the A-beam, he couldn't put it back as it should be. So they're gonna replace this part and put a new one, hopefully within a week or so, or in a week or so. Okay, so the AMG is almost back to normal. And yeah, it took him about, I don't know, probably about an hour and 15, an hour and a half to replace a windshield. And it looks fine. The only thing that is missing is a Mercedes logo. Other than that, it's exactly the same windshield. And hopefully, even though he said it's a lifetime warranty, there will be no leaks. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this one. Unexpected. I wasn't, obviously, I didn't damage the windshield just to make a video. So, but I hope that you enjoyed it and, gain some knowledge on how to do it yourself. Okay, so until the next video, peace.